Hi, I'm the lockpicking cuber, and in this video I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube. The thing is, I've kind of got myself into a bit of trouble, so I'll need to sort that out after I solve the cube. So I'm going to use CS timer to generate a respectable random state scramble, and then I'll solve it. So I'll just refresh this page a couple of times, and then I'm going to use this scramble. Oops. Okay, and now I will solve it. Here we go. Okay, there we go. That's that. Now I need to get out of these handcuffs. Well, luckily I have the keys here, but actually that just seems a little bit boring. So maybe I could do it using this bobby pin instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pick off the kind of rubbery, plasticky stuff on the end of the bobby pin, if I can. Perhaps I'll use these tools to do that. There we go. And then I'm going to bend the bobby pin to give myself a handle and just give a little bend on the end there to make a tool. Now, these handcuffs, if you know anything about how handcuffs work, you might be able to see that these are double locked. The way you can tell is that this little button here is pushed in. When it pops out, that means it's easier to open the handcuffs. The reason that they're double locked is that stops the cuff from tightening anymore. So what I have to do is pick each handcuff twice, once to undo the double lock and then to undo the single lock after that. So here we go. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to insert the bobby pin into the keyhole and I'm going to push it around if I can get it to go around there and then into the locking mechanism for the double lock. Should get a click if I can do that. Was that it? Yeah, that was it. Okay, now I'm going to undo the single lock, which is much easier, thankfully. Should be easier. But on this occasion, I'm not doing very well. Here we go, come on. You know, this is a lot easier to do without the handcuffs on. Okay. Came out one notch. There we go. Free at last. Now, let's get this one off. See if I can undo the double lock first. Let's just make sure that bend is in there. That in there and bring it round to the double locking mechanism. There we go. And now the final bit. More success on this occasion with the there we go, with the double lock than with the single lock. Whew. Finally got those handcuffs off using the trusty bobby pin. So there we go, solving a Rubik's Cube whilst wearing handcuffs and then escaping from the handcuffs using a bobby pin. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please press like or even subscribe, that would be great. And thanks so much for watching.